Step 1. Verify game files. Open Steam. Right click on the game you have a problem with, select Properties, select on Uninstall Files, click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Step 2. Use Big Picture mode. Open Steam. Select Big Picture mode from the top right corner. In Big Picture mode, select the menu on the left corner, select Downloads, check if the mod you downloaded appears here. To exit Big Picture mode, select the menu, then Power and finally exit Big Picture mode. Check if the problem is resolved. If not, let's move on to Step 3. Step 3. Clear download cache. Open Steam. Click on Steam tab at the top left corner, select Settings. Click on Downloads on the right side. Click on Clear Download Cache. Confirm the action. Step 4. Turn off Steam Beta. Open Steam. Click on Steam tab. Select Interface. Under Client Beta Participation, click on the drop-down menu and select No Beta. Select Restart Now and restart Steam. Restart your PC to see if the problem is solved. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.